Hey everyone, Trey here with I'm Just a Guy, bringing you yet another video update. So I don't think I did a video on Soundwave. Here is Soundwave right here. Yes, I love it. This was one of the very first models I ever put together. Now I scaled all of these models that I found. Yes, you can find the STL at toymaker3d.com. Yes, that is correct. Toymaker3d.com is where you can find the files to all of these amazing models here. We got RAVAGE, we have LASERBEAK, we have Rumble, and of course we have Frenzy. I like leaving their pile drivers on. I think it's just so cool. All these models are 100% fully articulate, but they are not transformable. Like I said, fully articulate, but not transformable. I absolutely love it. I scaled these models up 150%, and this is the result. And I've been super pleased with them once again. Just so happy with them. Once again, there is Soundwave and his cassettes, LASERBEAK, RAVAGE, Rumble, and Frenzy. More to come. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see everyone in the next video.